Ever dreamed of contributing to a space mission? Now's your chance, and it's not just about stargazing. A revolutionary quantum networking experiment is calling on the public to help shape its future, and it's as simple as playing a game. Meet SEAQUE, a groundbreaking mission aboard the International Space Station, ISS, that's pushing the boundaries of secure communications and ultra-precise sensing technologies. But here's where it gets exciting. Your gameplay isn't just for fun. It's providing critical data that will directly influence the next phase of this space-based experiment. This isn't just science. It's science with a purpose, with applications ranging from disaster relief to national security. And guess who's leading the charge? Boeing, a key partner in this ambitious project, is not only supporting SEAQUE, but also developing its own quantum mission, Q4S, set to launch in 2026. But here's where it gets controversial. Can crowdsourced data truly refine cutting-edge quantum technology? Or are we oversimplifying the complexities of space research? Let's dive in. SEAQUE isn't just asking for public input. It's turning collective gameplay into a tool for innovation. By visiting Quantum Satellite, Illinois EDU, participants are helping researchers tackle some of the most challenging aspects of quantum networking in space. The mission's immediate goal? To validate compact, entangled photon sources and find ways to protect quantum hardware from the harsh radiation of space, a problem unique to this environment. And this is the part most people miss. SEAQUE is laying the groundwork for a future quantum internet, promising unhackable communications and sensing capabilities so precise they could revolutionize industries. Boeing's dual role, partner in SEAQUE and pioneer of Q4S, highlights its deep commitment to this transformative field. Q4S, a self-funded mission, aims to swap entangled particles globally, a critical step toward building quantum networks. But the real game changer? The data from the public game will help optimize these systems for real-world use, from disaster response to space domain awareness. Here's the bold question. As we crowdsource the future of quantum technology, are we democratizing science or risking oversimplification? SEAQUE's approach is undeniably innovative, but it also raises questions about the role of public participation in complex research. Whether you're a quantum enthusiast or a curious beginner, this mission invites you to be part of something bigger and to weigh in on the debate. So, what do you think? Is this the future of scientific collaboration, or are we biting off more than we can chew? Share your thoughts below and join the conversation.